Now that our website is practically complete, our blog is practically complete, we can go ahead and launch it. We have our banner, we have a nice, elegant, simple layout. Okay, we have posts. We have one post we've already created, and we have our voting system up and ready. We've done our footer, and we have our tabs. We have our contact us page, our about page. Now we can launch our website. And the way you do that, you go to your dashboard. If you've been following these tutorials, like I told you before, no one can see your blog. No one can see your website because it is hidden. It's under wraps right now until you launch it. And since we've completed so much now, and it is fully functional, we can go ahead and launch it. So we're gonna go to Bluehost, go to Home. Okay, and simply go down here where it says launch your site, press launch. Boom, your website is officially up and ready. Congratulations, your site is now live. Your site is now live for the public to see. Make sure you are checking back frequently to see your visitors' comments and feedback. Okay, so now it's officially live. Okay, now you can log out. You're not the only one who can see it. You can log out. And go to your website where it says web hosting throne /crown. And there it goes. Your website is officially live.